guys, it's 1:30 in the morning and we are going to the beach.
For no reason.
For no reason. And the beach in front of the Sayeman Hotel. So let's go. Didn't had any plan of making any video, but suddenly, so now making this vertical one. Not bought my GoPro to make a vlog. So yeah. So probably it's gonna be fun. So let's go. অটোমেটিক পানি আসছে যা
আমি আসতো আসি দিবে
না এখানে দাঁড়া এদিকে দাঁড়া
আল্লাহর পানি আমাদেরকে হিল করবে
না না এদিকে দাঁড়া এইখানেই দাঁড়া না ঢেউ আসবে তো What time is it?
It's 1:45.
1:45. And what we are doing?
We are looking for biology teacher.
It's 2 a.m. and we are in the beach paddling.
We are looking for the shark.
We're looking for the shark who are trying to breed.
We are looking for shark and the water is pulling us.
The water is pulling us
towards her chest.
The ocean. The ocean wants us, but we don't want the ocean. We'll want the ocean in daytime, but not now.
But yeah, we want the ocean. We want to stay all night in the ocean, but we don't have the ability to stay in ocean paradise. That's the problem.
Hey, someday we'll have. No worries. Someday we'll have. Someday we will live in. We'll stay in ocean paradise for a month.
That time
Not for a few days. For a month.
For a month. That time the sponsor will be from the Yusuf Qadri.
Yeah, I'll sponsor it. Definitely.
Inshallah.
Yes. লেখার সময় দেখা গেছিল তোমারটা আজকে হয়ে গেছে।
We don't have girlfriend.
Huh?
Let's go to class. We don't have girlfriend. We are lonely. Lonely. I'm so lonely. I'm nobody. My own.
LGBT got legalized in Bangladesh.
Back to reality. Back to reality. Octopus family. Back to reality. Mama, ya back to reality. Kayak gitu kan.
পুরোটা পুরো
ও কিন্তু সকালে পারে ওখানে গান আছে গান গেছি তো ও গাই তো গান গাইতে চায় না গান গাও সকালে আর্ট করা
Guys, last night at the beach. Now tomorrow this time we'll be in a bus going towards Dhaka city. So it's almost 3 a.m. now, and we are heading back to our hotel. Too much mosquito in the beach in this time as well. Couldn't had a proper couldn't relax on the beach beds because it's too much mosquito. So yeah, signing off from beach night. Tomorrow if we wake up early, then probably we'll come to the beach to have a dip in the ocean. So yeah, so now signing off, me and Lupenva. Good night, sleep tight, and not good night, but anyways 3 a.m. in the morning, but for us good night. So see you guys tomorrow in new vertical video and a new vlog. What do you want to say?
I want to say good night to all the folks. Bye bye.
Chill pill, have a pill and chill.
ये देखें ना क्या अवस्था की लग रहा था अल्लाह
Peki, Malaysia.
ये के माला चाह स्पेशल माला चाह सर माला चाह
দোকানটা খুলে
রাতের বেলা 10-20 টাকা যদি আপনাদের কাছ থেকে না নিই
জঙ্গল সেখানে মশা হ্যাঁ কক্সবাজার মশা কেন মানে বিচের মধ্যে গেলে হবে